Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a massive money mystery. Did you know that the average American is losing nearly $10,000 a year without even realizing it? No, it's not some crazy conspiracy. It's actually something way more common, and I'm going to show you how to spot it, and more importantly, how to stop it. This isn't your parents' financial advice. This is the real deal for our generation. So, hit that like button, and let's dive right in. First off, where is this $10,000 going? Let's break it down. It's not one single big expense. Instead, it's a slow leak from multiple sources. Think of it like 1,000 tiny cuts to your bank account. We're talking about things like unused subscriptions, bank fees, high-interest debt, and especially lifestyle inflation. It's that sneaky feeling where you get a raise, and somehow, you're still broke at the end of the month. Your income went up, but so did your spending, and you didn't even notice. Let's start with subscriptions. That free trial you forgot to cancel, that's about $12 a month. The gym you swore you'd go to, that could be another 50 streaming services. Let's be real, you probably have 3 or 4. Add them all up, and you could easily be spending over $100 a month, or $1,200 a year, on stuff you barely use. It feels small, but it adds up fast. Next up, let's talk about bank fees. Overdraft fees, monthly maintenance fees, ATM fees. They seem insignificant, right? Wrong. The average American pays hundreds of dollars a year just for the privilege of having a bank account. It's wild. Many of these fees are totally avoidable if you switch to a modern online bank or just meet certain balance requirements. That's free money you're just giving away. But the biggest culprit of all, high-interest debt, especially from credit cards. The average credit card interest rate is sitting at over 20%. If you're carrying a balance of just $5,000, you're paying over $1,000 a year in interest alone. That's money that does absolutely nothing for you. It just vanishes into the bank's pocket. It's a wealth-destroying machine, and getting out of that cycle is your #1 priority. So, here's the Gen Z finance hack to plug these leaks and reclaim your $10,000. It's called a money audit. Once a month, you're going to sit down for just 30 minutes and ruthlessly review your spending. Go through your bank and credit card statements line by line. Ask yourself, did I really need this? Am I still using this subscription? Is there a cheaper alternative? For subscriptions, use an app that tracks them for you, or just look at your statement and start canceling. Be ruthless. If you haven't used it in a month, you don't need it. For bank fees, call your bank and ask them to waive them, or better yet, switch to a fee-free online bank. And for that high-interest debt, you need a plan. Look into balance transfer cards with 0% introductory APRs, or consider a personal loan with a lower interest rate to consolidate your debt. The goal is to stop the bleeding. This isn't about being cheap or depriving yourself. It's about being intentional. It's about making your money work for you, not against you. That $10,000 you save, that's money you can invest in yourself, in a down payment for a house, or in experiences that actually bring you joy. Imagine what you could do with an extra 10 grand a year. This simple monthly audit is the key to unlocking that potential. It's your money, and it's time to take control. Start your first money audit tonight. I promise you'll be shocked at what you find. Let me know in the comments what your biggest money leak was. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense finance tips. See you in the next one.